Well, we found the snow leopard. We're at the new zoo again. El Michelle's like, is there a snow leopard? And it just rolled over.
It literally rolled
and
over
flipped
for us.
on its back.
It's stretching. It's like doing it's Saturday stuff.
It's sunning. Meanwhile, Lloyd's over here. Hardcore staring. That's so cool.
Oh my gosh.
Now that's how you be a lazy cat.
That's what Lloyd's looking at.
Uh-huh. Now Lloyd is staring at me. Oh, now it moved. It knows
Have your head facing the other way, buddy.
we're talking about it.
I'm trying. Hey, snow leopard. Hey, cute animal. Snow leopard. Hi, cute snow leopard. Snow leopard. Hi, cute animal. Which one are you?
I think here's one of the
You're
zookeepers.
pretty. You are very pretty. Pretty girl.
Aw.
Or you boy. I don't know. Pretty animal.
But they really do blend in so well.
Is Lloyd a good boy?
Here's Lloyd looking like I've had enough of this.